Hi everybody, this is Sonia with Paper Pizzazz, and I have a new project that I discovered. I saw a lady, Melissa Davis, and she is doing a collab on what to do with your stickers. And I'm sure everybody has tons of stickers. I have stickers that I've never used. I have in little bags. I have all these stickers. I have sheets of stickers. I have some little vintage stickers over here. I even have labels that I don't know if I would ever use all these. Buying them and thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to do this and this with them, and then they sit. So I'm trying to get these out of the bags, and she suggested getting a book, putting these stickers in a book, and then you can come along and make tags out of them later, cut them out, use them for different pages or whatever. And I thought that was a great idea. So I'm joining the collab, and I'm just starting to get some of these stickers out of the bags and into my book. So this is what I've done so far. I have birthday stickers. I've used up these sheets already. I don't know how old these were, but I'm also going to keep these because you can also, what she was doing, she was also taking these sheets off and sticking them on a page because you can paint on them, do whatever. So here is my start of my new project, my collab with Melissa Davis. Now her hashtag is hashtag stick and glue. Hashtag stick and glue. And her title is by Mimi with Love. So remember that, and I'll put this in this video so you can join the collab also if you want to and see what she's doing. So I'm just kind of starting this. I have different categories. I've got like ocean creatures here. I've got some beach, sunset and beach. I've got some vintage things. I've got tons of stuff, and I'll probably fill this book up before I know it. I've got some religious stickers and butterflies and just everything. So I'm just kind of going through and just kind of randomly collaging some things together. I'm having a lot of fun with this because I'm actually finding out what I have in these bags. I haven't even really looked at these things, and there's beautiful things in here. So I'm just laying some stickers down. She's doing a collab where there's no swaps, so there's no mailing each other things or whatever. It's just all online, and you look at her page, you'll learn more about it, but she wants you once a month to show your page, once a month to show what you've done with your stickers, things like that. So it's an open collab for anybody, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm trying to kind of color coordinate these pages and kind of get the same kind of topic. I'm doing some ocean things here, and I think I'm ready to go to the next page. I had some birthday stickers and kind of, I don't know what I'm going to do with those, with the little dogs, and I think I'll go to the next page and do some more ocean type things. I just think this is a really amazing idea. I never would have thought of it. But Melissa Davis, she's got some amazing ideas. So I have some sea creatures, and then I think I'm gonna put some flowers. Flowers go with anything. Now I had some vintage stuff over here. I'm gonna kind of do a different page with that. Let's see if I can get these off. These are fairly new, so these are gonna be fine. These will stick good. Just, you don't really have to think much about this. It's kind of nice. Just kind of do what you want. Do whatever you want. Oh, I love these butterflies. These are really pretty. I actually got these today, and so they're really sticky. Come on off of there. Well, let me try something else. Let me try sunflower. I think I better use my tweezers. Tweezers are probably better than my fingernails. Ah, here we go. I'm going to just, I don't have a plan for this. It's just kind of a collage that I'm starting the sticker book with. And you might want to try this. I emailed her and I said, yes, I'm joining your collab. And so there's no big set rules, except she wants you to, once a month, show a video of your page, show what you've done with your pages. So pretty simple. These are, I haven't even looked at these. A lot of fish, a lot of, oh, what are these? Little shells. Oh, there's an octopus and a seahorse. I think this looks really great. I love these things. I've had these probably for almost a year and I never really looked in them much. But I am excited about it. Let's see, different colors. Let's put, I guess that's a seashell. Let's put this one, big seashell. So you can make a master board, you can make a tag, cut these out, put them on a card, a journal page. I mean, I guess it's just an endless kind of a thing that whatever you want to think up. Now here are some pictures of a beach. Here's some beach images. Okay, I don't know, that's not beach. Let's try some other color. There, I think that's a good page. Maybe another flower to go up here. No plan, I'm just kind of doing this for colors. Oh, those are sticky. Okay. Okay, so you kind of get the idea. You can do whatever you want. You know, I had some birthday stickers, a whole bunch of these. I can cut these out later and make a card, a collage, birthday wishes, and then you get the idea. And go see Melissa Davis at by Mimi with Love. Okay, at by Mimi with Love. Hashtag stick and glue, and you'll find her. So that's all I'm going to do today. And as I do some other projects, I'll do another video. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.